going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper, and in this video I'm going to go over one question that I always get the most out of all my platforms: YouTube, Instagram, my Facebook, and my Facebook group. I get this message a lot, and you know the thing that's going around right now is marketplace is starting to get a lot harder to post. People are telling me that they're getting their ads flagged. They're not getting the same response from marketplace, or even they're blocked from marketplace from posting too much, or somebody continuing to flag their ads. And I want to go over something with you guys to let you guys know that you don't need marketplace to become successful in this business. You know, I think there's a big misconception about you know, although marketplace is a great platform to buy and to post your ads to buy phones, it's not the only platform. You know, I feel like people come to me thinking their phone flipping career is done because they're blocked from marketplace. You know, and over the time, ever since marketplace has been out, I'd say I've been blocked about 5 or 6 times since it's been out. Since they released marketplace, I've been blocked like 5 or 6 times, and I didn't let that stop me. I believe there was one point in my phone flipping career where I got blocked, and you know, I did better because I didn't rely on just marketplace. You know, I got into a habit of just relying on marketplace and kind of putting those other apps on the back burner, and I didn't even and I did more numbers and sales and profit without the marketplace. So I feel like maybe you guys are getting into that comfortable stage where, you know, marketplace was at a point where you were getting 60 messages from just that one platform, and now that it's kind of dying out, and Facebook is changing their algorithm to where they're kind of throttling your views, and they're throttling how many people message you, how many times they put your ad in front of people. And we can't let that affect us. We have to just be able to adapt with it and move forward. Again, a lot of people are coming to me with these questions and saying, hey, you think I should, you know, go back to my 9-to-5 job? It's getting to that point where people are asking me these questions, and I'm just like, you know, first of all, settle down, and second, you know, there are like 5 platforms you can post on besides the marketplace. You can post on Facebook groups, OfferUp, the Let Go app. You can post on Craigslist. There's a bunch of different places you can post on, and you're gonna get a good response if you're just consistent with it. I'm not saying post on Craigslist one time and you know, expect 60 messages like marketplace, but you have to continuously post on Craigslist every day, post on Let Go every single day, and you should with all those platforms accumulate the same amount of response that you would with just that marketplace ad. You know, so I wanted to go over that really briefly with you guys. This is a quick video, just letting you guys know that don't panic if you aren't getting a response from marketplace, if your views are you know, way down, you know, in the 20s, 30s. If you're getting 1 or 2 messages a day from marketplace, don't panic. Just figure out what you need to do, and post on these different platforms, and you should be just as good. Again, I've been blocked many times on marketplace. I didn't let that affect me. There was one point in my career where I did more numbers without marketplace because I knew I had to grind. I knew I had to. It wasn't an easy, you know, post on marketplace, sit back, relax, and, you know, rake in all the profit. That was good when it was, you know, when it was going on, but when I didn't have it, I realized I had to grind. I had to, you know, constantly be on these apps, replying back to everybody as fast as possible, meeting up with people as fast as possible. It actually made me a better flipper overall. You know, you don't want to just rely on one source. So then again, that's the video I wanted to get out to you guys. If you guys do enjoy these types of videos, please drop a like. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.